If World War III started tomorrow, the collapse wouldn't begin with explosions or armies marching. It would begin quietly, almost silently. Before the first missile is launched, financial markets would panic, stock screens turn red. Banks slow transactions, people rush to withdraw savings. Airports shut down as flights are canceled, travelers are stranded. Fuel stations empty within hours, long lines stretch through streets. Supermarket shelves are cleared as fear spreads faster than facts. Factories fall silent, cargo ships stop moving, ports freeze. The systems that keep life running begin to fail, one by one. Then the lights start to go out, power grids struggle. Internet connections weaken, mobile networks overload, people stare at phones. Realizing there is no signal, no updates, no answers. Cyber attacks strike before soldiers move, banking systems freeze, government networks shut down, emergency services falter. Smaller, import-dependent countries feel the pressure first, not because they are weak, but because survival depends on fragile supply chains. Tension rises, protests flare, streets empty under curfews. Hospitals overflow, emergency workers struggle to cope. Even powerful nations struggle. Military strength means nothing without fuel, food, electricity. World War III wouldn't look like past wars, no clear front lines, no fast victories. Only a slow global breakdown. The first countries to fall aren't defeated by armies, they collapse from within.